Welcome to CIT 202, an introduction to online learning. My name's Todd McLeod. I'll be your instructor in this course. In this class, we're going to bring your tech skills up so that you can use computers effectively, because when you take online classes, you're going to be using a computer. So one of the goals, one of the things you're going to learn in this class is you're going to get better tech skills, better computer skills through this class. The other thing you're going to learn is you're going to learn how to take an online class. So online classes have some challenges which are unique to them, different from in-person classes that meet in the classroom. In particular, you need a little bit more self-discipline when you're taking an online class. You have to structure your life yourself. You're not coming into a classroom once or twice a week. You have to build that structure into your life. And you need to be a little bit more proactive, so have a little bit more self-discipline, a little bit more proactive when taking an online class. So we're going to learn those things in this class. But first, what I want to do is just give you an orientation of Canvas, okay? So in our class, and every class is different, every instructor teaches different, but in our class, we have these buttons over here on the left. And you'll notice that one of the buttons is the syllabus. Now the first thing you want to do when you take any class is you want to read the syllabus, because the syllabus is going to tell you what you need to do to earn a good grade, to earn an A. And so if we scroll down in the syllabus for this class, we'll see that you have to complete assignments, discussions, and quizzes, and that each assignment, discussion, and quiz is worth 100 points. So in effect, every assignment, quiz, and discussion, they're all equally weighted. They're all each worth 100 points. So that's how you earn your grade in this class. And so any class you take, first thing you want to do is read the syllabus and figure out how you earn your grade. So in this class, you have to do assignments, discussions, and quizzes. And here you see assignments, discussions, quizzes. And in fact, if we click on assignments, we're going to see all three in there, because the way I've organized this class is right inside assignments, because I figured most people are going to click on assignments thinking this is stuff I need to do. You also have to do discussions and quizzes, so I just stuck in assignments, discussions, and quizzes too. So you could get to just the discussions by clicking that button. You could get to just the quizzes by clicking that button. But if you click this button, you get to assignments, quizzes, and discussions, and you can see them all there. So if I open this up, I see there's a quiz for week 1. It's a lecture and a quiz. I would click on this, and then when I click on it, let's maybe see if I could stop that. I'm going to open this in a new window. Right click, open link, and new tab. Open this in a new window, because Canvas is running slow as mud because it's the beginning of semester and everybody's hitting the server downloading information. So why that opens, until it opens, I'll show you some other stuff. But in here you can see I have everything organized. Here are all the discussions. So there are 8 weeks in this course, and I'm going to delete a bunch of these discussions because we're only going to do 8 of them. I have a few too many in there. But here are 8 weeks, and here are all of your assignments, right? So for each of these, like week 1, you do the week 1 assignments. Week 2, you do the week 2 assignments. Pretty straightforward. But one of the things which is interesting is right here, you could show by date or by type. And if you do it by date, it kind of doesn't make sense. Week 1, week 2, week 1, week 3, week 1. It's just sort of hodgepodge. But if you sort it by type, then it starts making sense. So one of your jobs as a student is to figure out how the class makes sense. You have to figure the class out. And clicking this button versus that button, like trying these two buttons, is a good thing to do. I have not arranged all the stuff we're doing by date. I've arranged it by type. And so when you do it by type, it organizes things well in our class. But in other classes, that might be totally different. So that's just one of the things you have to do as a student, is figure out each class. So when you click on like quiz, right, or assignment or discussion, you're brought to something like this. Like here are the instructions, and then there'll be a link for a lecture here. You'll watch the lecture, and then you'll go to take the quiz. And you take the quiz and answer the questions, and you get your score. If you were to do an assignment, it'd be something similar. So let me just click that and let that open. And we'll see that in a second. While that's opening, we'll also open up a discussion. So those are the 3 things: assignments, discussions, and quizzes that we need to do. So here is the first assignment. And when you click on your picture, you can watch this video. You click the link, and it brings up this video. And you watch this video, and it's going to show you how to do this assignment. If you want to see this larger, you could click that little YouTube icon and it takes you out to YouTube, and then you can watch the video there, and it shows you how to do the assignment. And then the next one is the discussion, and here, who are you, why are you taking this class, and what have you learned so far that you like? And you hit reply, and you just reply to the discussion. So I'm going to hit reply, and I type something in and post my reply. All right, so that's like the basics for this class. You have the syllabus, you have assignments, discussions, and quizzes. You need to do assignments, discussions, and quizzes to earn your grade. You're doing some every week, right? And then you just each week you do the stuff. Are there due dates in the class? When are things due? Where would you go to find out? You would go back to the syllabus to see if there are due dates. So I'm loading the syllabus, and I could do a little shortcut. I could do Command F or Control F, and it launches a little search area in my browser, and I'm going to search for due. And so discussions are due at the end of the week. Official class discussions are due at the end of the week. Everything else in the course is due before the last day of the course. You need to pace yourself through this course. So there are no hard deadlines except for the end of the course for everything other than discussions, which means that, you know, if you're really busy one week, you could put off to, like, you know, maybe you're giving birth or something. You could just say, okay, I'm just not going to do my work this week, and I'll catch up next week and do both weeks' work next week, right? So that's you needing to bring self-discipline to the class. You can see your grade by going to grades right here. You can see the people in the classes there. You could go to pages, and you can see different pages there if I have any. And then down here in the inbox, you'll see some email. So you cannot access this functionality in Student View. Well, maybe you won't. All right, so that's a little introduction to the course and how you take the course. And I'm looking forward to teaching you some cool things about computers. And I'm glad you're here, and we're going to have a good time. And if you have any questions throughout the course, just shoot me an email, and I'll be here to help you out.